So I told you I got my YouTube channel monetized in just 2 months in my previous videos. And I'm sure we all know the requirements to get monetized as a long form creator. You need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. And bet with me, to get 4000 watch hours is more harder than to get 1000 subscribers. If you agree with me, hit the like button. I'm going to show you one of the fastest methods that I used to get my 4000 watch hours and got my channel monetized within just 2 months. So don't skip any part of this video because every single part is very important. And after watching this video, you can start applying to your channel and start seeing results. If you are stuck at low watch hours and you can't figure out why your channel isn't growing, stay with me because by the end of this video, you have a complete plan. So before we get into the strategy, let me be clear about who this video is for. If you have under 5000 subscribers, if your watch hours are stuck below 500, if you've been uploading videos and getting almost no views, this is for you. My name is Zane. This is Zane Tech. Here we talk about tech, YouTube growth, and how to build real online income. So if you're interested in content, just hit the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I've been through the exact same frustration you're feeling right now. I've uploaded over 100 videos on this channel and for a long time nothing was moving. Then I figured out one thing that changed everything: long form videos. And I'm going to break down exactly why, exactly how to do it, and starting right now. Why long form is a cheat code for watch hours. Here's a matter most small YouTubers completely ignore. Let's say you upload a 3-minute video. You get 100 views. If your average view percentage is 50%, that's 1.5 minutes per viewer. 100 views times 1.5 minutes equals 150 minutes of watch hours. That's 2.5 hours from 100 views. Now let's say you upload a 20-minute video. Same 100 views, same 50% retention. That's 10 minutes per viewer. 100 views times 10 minutes equals 1000 minutes of watch time. That's 16.6 hours from the same 100 views. You need 4000 watch hours, which is 240,000 minutes to get monetized. But here's where most people get wrong. They think long form just means making longer videos, but it doesn't. A 20-minute video that people click off after 2 minutes is worse than useless. So the goal isn't just long videos. The goal is long videos that people actually watch all the way through. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to build. The 4-part long form video structure. There are 4 parts to every long form video that keeps people watching. I call it the HPMC Framework. H, which stands for hook. P, which stands for promise. M, which stands for meet. And C, which stands for close. Let me walk you through each one. Part 1. H, which is hook. The hook is the first 30 seconds of your video. This is the most important 30 seconds of your entire channel. If someone clicks a video and they are bored in the first 30 seconds, they are gone. And YouTube sees that and YouTube stops recommending your video and the video dies. So how do you make a great hook? Simple, show the result first. Don't start with, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nobody cares about your channel intro in the first 5 seconds. Start with the result. Start with the proof. Start with the number. Whatever your video is about, show the end result at the beginning. Then say, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. That is it. That's a hook. People will stay because they want to know how you got there. Part 2, P, which is the promise. Tell the viewers what they're going to get from this video if they stay until the end. Say something like, by the time this video is over, you have a complete step-by-step knowledge on how to do this particular thing. Why does this work? Because now the viewer has a reason to stay. They know there's a payoff coming. They've made a mental commitment. Part 3. The meat. This is where most YouTubers lose their audience and they don't even know it. The meat section is your actual content, your strategies, your steps. For long form videos, it should be 70% of your total video length. But here's the critical rule. You cannot go more than 90 seconds without a pattern interrupt. What's a pattern interrupt? It's anything that resets a viewer's attention. It could be getting to a new camera angle, showing a screenshot or graphic on screen, asking a rhetorical question directly from the viewer, revealing a surprising statistics. Every 90 seconds, new hook. Every 90 seconds without fear. If you watch any top YouTuber like Mr. Beast, MKBHD, anyone with millions of views, you will know that videos never stay long without something changing on the screen. That's not an accident, that's a system. Now, another thing you must include in your mid section of your video is including chapters. YouTube chapters. Those little markers you add in your description serve 2 purposes. Number 1. They help viewers navigate their content, which reduces frustration and increasing watch time. Number 2. They tell YouTube algorithm exactly what your video is about, which improves your search ranking. Add a chapter every 3 to 4 minutes. Label them clearly with keyword-rich titles. Part 4. C. The close. The close is the last 2 minutes of your video. This is where most YouTubers just say like and subscribe and they end the video. That's the waste of your most valuable real estate. Here's what to do instead. First, summarize the 3 biggest takeaways from the video. This is not repetition. This is reinforcement. It actually boosts the viewers' confidence that they learned something, which makes them more likely to subscribe. Second, give a clear specific call to action, not subscribe if you like this. Instead, say if they want to see more of such type of content, they should subscribe and turn on notifications. Specific, relevant, gives them a reason to subscribe. Now, how to be found on YouTube search. Here's the reality about YouTube in 2026. If you're a small channel, the algorithm is not going to push your content to millions of people. Not yet. Not until you prove your videos are worth watching. So how do you get views if the algorithm is not on your side? You go after search traffic. Search traffic is the most underrated tool for small channels. When someone types how to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube in the search bar, they are not waiting for the algorithm to recommend something. They are actively looking for an answer. That's your opportunity. Here's exactly how to target search traffic with your long form videos. Step 1. Find your keyword. Use a tool like VidIQ to check the search volume. Step 2. Put your keywords in the title. Your video title is the single best factor in whether YouTube shows a video in search results. Don't be clever. Don't be vague. Be direct. Let's say for example, how to get 4,000 watch hours fast on YouTube in 2026. That title contains the exact phrase people are searching for. YouTube sees that and it ranks their videos for those searches. Step 3. Put your keywords in the first 2 sentences of the description. YouTube algorithm reads your description to understand what your video is all about. If your keywords appear in the first 150 characters of your description, get a ranking boost. Step 4. Use tags. Tags are less important than they used to be, but they still help you to confirm what your video is about. Mix exact keyword phrases and border topic tags. For example, 4,000 watch hours. How to get monetized on YouTube. YouTube Monetization 2026. Grow YouTube channel. Now, the consistent system. Here's the question I get more than any other. How many videos should I upload per week? And the honest answer is, it depends on quality versus quantity. But for where you are right now, small channel trying to hit watch hours fast, here's a formula that works. At least 2 to 3 long form videos and 2 shorts per week. The long form videos build your watch hours. The shorts brings in new viewers and funnel them to your long form content. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't have time to make 3 20-minute videos a week. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be consistent. A 20-minute video filmed in one take, decent lighting and clear audio will outperform a 20-minute video that took you 2 weeks to edit perfectly. Done is better than perfect. At 20 minutes average 50% retention, that's potentially 60 hours per week if every video just gets 200 views. 200 views per video. Get 200 people to watch 10 minutes of every video and you're on the pace to hitting 4,000 watch hours in under 2 months. Now, mistakes that are killing your watch time. Before I wrap up, I need to talk about 3 mistakes that I see small YouTubers make that are killing their watch time. Mistake number 1, your intro is too long. If your video doesn't get to the point in the first 60 seconds, you are losing viewers. I see so many creators spend the first 2 minutes talking about themselves, asking people to subscribe, explaining what their channel is about. Nobody cares. They click because of the title and thumbnail. They want the content. Give it to them. Get to your most valuable point within 60 seconds. Mistakes number 2. Your videos are too short. A 5-minute video that gets 300 views gives you 25 hours, assuming 50% retention. A 20-minute video that gets 300 views gives you 100 watch time. Same number of views, 4 times the watch hours because the video is longer. If you are making 5-minute videos right now, you are leaving 75% of your potential watch hours on the table. Go longer, your audience can handle it if the content is good. Mistake number 3, quitting too early. This one is the most common and the most painful. Most creators give up on a video after 48 hours if it doesn't perform. But here's what YouTube actually does. It tests their videos with a small audience first. If those people watch it, YouTube gives it to a bigger audience, even bigger. Some videos take 2 to 3 weeks to pick up momentum. Some take months. So don't delete your videos. Don't change the title after 24 hours. Give every video at least 30 days before you judge it. The channels that win on YouTube are the ones that stay long enough for the algorithm to find them. Bonus watch time hack. Alright, I told you I would share something most creators don't know. Here is it. YouTube counts watch hours from all sources, not just YouTube search. That means if someone watches your videos from your website, from a Google search result, from a blog post, all of that counts towards your 4,000 watch hours. So here's the hack. Every time you upload a long form video, share it everywhere. Every single view counts. Every single minute watch counts. Most small YouTubers wait for YouTube to first push their content. The creators who hit monetization fast are those who go get their own views. And then YouTube sees the momentum and amplifies it. So don't wait, go get your 200 views yourself. Alright, let me recap the 5 things you need to do starting today. 1. Switch to longer form videos. Minimum 15 minutes, target 20 to 25 minutes. 2. Use the HPMC Framework. Hook, promise, meet, close. 3. Add chapters to every video, every 3 to 4 minutes. 4. Target high volume, low competition keywords in your title and description. 5. Post 2 to 3 long form videos per week. Stay consistent for at least 30 days before you judge results. That's the system. Now, I'm documenting my entire journey right here on this channel in real time, every step, every mistake, every breakthrough. If you want to follow along, and if you want to hit the 4,000 watch hours in the next few weeks or in the next few months, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. In the next video, I'll be sharing the exact title, SEO strategy, and thumbnail formula I'm using to get my videos found on YouTube search. So don't miss. I'll see you in the next one.